Students are learning from home due to the coronavirus, but for many, school is their safe place. So the staff at Youth Build Columbus Community School are helping their students even when school is closed.
This past week, the first week that we didn't have school, it was our responsibility to really get in hold with any student and make sure they have a way to access our curriculum online. And if not, we provide them a Chromebook. Also made sure they have enough food, any resources like that, necessities. We have people running out and delivering things, like myself included.
YBCCS is more than a dropout recovery school. They go far beyond teaching students to earn their diploma. But above all, they help their students with day-to-day needs on a regular basis and what they feel is their calling in life.
As an educator, you get to see that service every day regardless of the situation, I think. But at this time, you're like, wow, I really am needed there. And I need them as much as they need me too. Like, it gives my career and job and life even more of a meaning, which is really cool.
With a staff that has always had strong relationships with their students, this pandemic has revealed just how dedicated they are and has garnered great appreciation even during the social distancing era.
I think they are seeing that too, how much we do care as a staff. Typically, I mean, it might not be as noticeable. It'd be like, oh, you're just a teacher, I'm here, whatever. But at a time like this, I feel like a lot of our students and ourselves, our staff included, are seeing how much we care for each other and have each other's backs, which is really cool to see.
This community is stronger than ever.